Devil's Kitchen, huh? Secluded beaches. That's right. It's the southern Oregon coast for you. The coast is clear. There's no one out here, man. Yeah, Bandon has a really scenic shoreline. Cute. Yeah, you can just see guano all over Face Rock. The birds just like to poop all over the face. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Imagine living up there. You could see this view every night. I figured tonight was the night. I had to face rock. Might as well face it. Face rock. From here it didn't look like you could get around to the other side, but when I went down there, there were a whole bunch of photographers like scrambling. Don't got much time. The shower closes at 11. Here it is, 10:30. Also, all the stores closed at 10 p.m. and I needed ice. So I had to like rush to the store. She was like, "Do you want your receipt?" I'm like, "No, thanks." And she was like, "Whoa." It's just a matter of which one. This clip is called Journey to the Restroom from my campsite. Let's go. Everyone around me is having trouble backing in and with their RVs and stuff, screaming. I woke up to this lady going, "Stop, stop, crank it back, stop, stop." Two terriers. Flushable wipes, no whitey tighties, no Camp Cola, no cell phones, no fires, no trees, and no whales. Enjoy the go and help the pipes flow. No whales. Whales!